Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the international friendly Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm John Bafana, my brother Kamabanu Puma.
Nkosi Msomi wafo lona ngisuka la khona nje eBhamshela mfowethu.
Uthini namchuchu?
Mfethu mina ngithi asupporteni Bafana mfethu. Support uHugo Bruce, uHugo Bruce yazinto ayenzayo. Ukuthi ubani akabizwa ngikho usengibo. Kodwa ke angikhali kakhulu ukuthi umuntu akekho ubani akekho. Wabona mfethu uHugo Bruce yasa story sakhe. Usithathe singena lutho le kwisquad wasiphakamisa mfowethu saqala sashaya AFCON saphuma phi kuma semi final sibu njengamanje usifake kuphi ku World Cup asina imani asina USA
After how many
asina USA asina USA so wasiphakathi team so mina into engishoyo asupporteni ucoach wethu sisupporte bonke abadlali ababizayo mfethu ku national team senze sure ukuthi siyabe support squad mina ngulamthuthu FC vele Nkosi mina ithi bankulu le South Africa yonke kodwa ke asikho lapho iAfrica yonke futhi kodwa ke lalela asikho lapho sisupporta iNational team thina lana njengama fans wethu sibe mnandi sibe grand sijabulile Bafana iwinile mfowethu 3-1 simnandi eGqeberha
Man of the match.
Siphombule Master Chef uyalazi baba uyalazi Master Chef uyalazi Master Chef baba
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?